Buenos dias, mi gente. On today's video, we are going to be taking off this front bumper from the EVO. So this will be part 2 of EVO Heavy. What we're going to be doing is getting this bumper painted and these plate holes filled in. So if you don't know, the EVOs come stock with a front license plate, and in America, or in California at least, you have to have a front plate on. So they actually drill holes into this, and it makes it look pretty ugly. So once you take off the license plate bracket, well, it still looks pretty bad. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be removing these grommets, taking off the bumper, and I won't be painting it myself. I would try it, but I want it to turn out good. So I'm going to be sending it to somebody, and they're going to do an amazing job. I already know it. We are going to be filling in those holes, and then we're also going to be getting fender liners because the fender liners are super messed up and they actually don't attach. It's attached with zip ties and different holes. It's missing screws. For right now, it's being held on by zip ties. So it's kind of a little ghetto. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. And don't forget to subscribe if you really like the video. All right, so to take this thing off, we got screws here, some plastic inserts, and then obviously these zip ties. All right, I'm pretty sure we are ready to take off the front bumper, and this intercooler is upgraded, so it's kind of stuck. So it's gonna take some wiggling, but here we go. It didn't take any wiggling. All right, guys, I'm gonna be going to drop this off now and getting this painted. So let's fast forward a couple days. It's ready. Boom. All right, so we got the car lifted up, and now we're gonna get started on removing this fender liner. Looks like I got attacked by Jurassic World. Beautiful. We took the other side off too. This one isn't as bad condition, but might as well replace it since we got a brand new one and I don't feel like saving this and then never using it. I do love that it comes with new hardware because they definitely didn't need to do that. All right, so we got, look what we got. From looking on the other side, these big ones hold this part on. It's kind of funny how all this stuff is just aesthetic too, like it does not make it faster. And then grab one more big one and put her right in there. All right, pretty good. All right, so let's go ahead and put this bumper on. I did order a new badge for it, so I'm gonna install that first, and then we'll be able to throw it on the car. Look at the fresh paint. I mean, obviously it's not perfect. You know, you can still kind of see some divots. There's a little bit of orange peel also, but I will take it. We'll take it how we get it. So she's ready to go. But before we install that, we have to install these little plastic clips. And what these do is they hold on the bumper to the fender and to the fender, the liner. So they're very important, and believe it or not, this bag of these two clips is like 14 bucks. So they're not cheap. I honestly kind of forget how it goes. It's been so long. Just give it some taps. There we go. Just like so. Some leftover clips for this. That's nice. Let's see what she looks like.
I mean, just look at it.
Yeah.
I mean, just get a look at
Wow. That is night and day. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna pull it out, get it in the sun a little bit. All right, guys, it is all installed. Look at that. Next, we're gonna do this and these, and then eventually we'll get this back bumper taken care of. So it's coming along. They did such a good job. It's not perfect for sure, but big upgrade from what we had before. But yeah, that concludes the bumper video, and then we will continue all the other installs. But I appreciate you guys watching, and this is just one part of a bigger video. So check that video out. It should come out in a few days.